Cheers.
So, what do you think about the NHS being sold to America, especially with a baby coming soon?
Honestly, mate, I think it'll be good for my kid. Having an American passport opens so many more avenues.
Right, okay. So it can't be long now till she arrives. You haven't told me the gender.
Oh, I don't know myself. We'll find out as soon as it comes.
Why is that? Family traditions?
I don't know, actually. Just always been a plan. Better than what my parents did for me anyway. Didn't get the gender check beforehand. They just assumed I'd be a girl since I had a boy beforehand.
So for 9 months they prepared to have a girl?
Bought pink and everything. Told all their friends they'll be having a girl, so I spent a whole year dressed in pink and playing with dolls. Come on, it's not that funny.
Not that funny. You spent the first year of your life being raised as a girl.
Oh, it's Jess. She probably wouldn't steak or ice cream or some weird pregnancy thing. Hey, you alright? What? Okay, I'll be there soon. Okay, bye. Love you. Bye, see you soon. Bye.
What was all that about? Is you alright?
Jess's water just broke.
That's fantastic news, mate. Why do you look like that?
Like what? What do I look like?
Like that, you bloody mess. We've got to get... Wait, where are you going? Eve! Breathe. Eve! Breathe.
Yep. I was just going to get a drink before we go.
Whoa, what are you doing?
I've got to calm my nerves before I drive.
Give me the bloody keys. I am driving. You're not showing up to the birth of your first child buzzed off a course, you twat.
Right, sorry. Alright. You can drive. Sorry, officer.
What's wrong?
I'm having a baby.
You'll be fine.